Hey guys, this is AJ the CEO back with another video in the Worship Extreme tutorial series. And in this video, we're going to go over the Twitter display module for Worship Extreme. Hey guys, again, this is AJ, the CEO, coming at you with another training and tutorial video for the best presentation software for your church, in my humble opinion, Worship Extreme. Going through different steps on how to use some of the modules inside the program, and we are actually in the Twitter function. I believe they added this maybe about a year ago. I could be off on this, but let me just walk you through how you actually use this. All right, so I'm here on the main page, and you can see it depends on how your monitor is configured. Mine has everything listed under more, or you could have icons up here, but we have Twitter right here. So let's go ahead and just tap on that. All right, so the first thing you want to do is click on create new group. Now, whatever you type in here defaultly is going to be searched for. So you can always change that, but for example, let me type in my church's handle. And I'll just do create. And the first thing it's going to do is pull up all the relevant tweets based off of what I just said. So I have a whole bunch of the most recent services that have been uploaded. This was last week, and anytime we post, it goes out to Twitter. So say I want to display this information. All you have to do first is click the actual tweets that you want to be shown. So let's just say I want all of our new sermons to be listed. So that one. All right, so I just say I just want those two. Now, just like with all the other components inside of Worship Extreme, you can change how it's going to be formatted. So we do that by going to formatting, and right now all it's going to do is display our tweet here at the top. Now you can always come in here and you can change the size, you can change the font, you can change the duration of your tweets. Now, unlike the other modules, you really can't change the you can't make a template for Twitter. It's pretty much you just change the size, text, and maybe the location. So you can click and drag here wherever you want. And it looks like it's making me stick to the left as well too. So I can only do up and down. I can't necessarily move it over here. So whatever tweet that you use is going to be on the left side, somewhere on the left. So let's just say I want to keep this one at the top, and I want to change the size. So let's go back to tweets, and then all we have to do is, because we clicked on each one, now these are in the approved list. Now, based off of the time that we have, that's how long the tweet is going to be shown on screen. So if I come over here and cut over to our other screen, all I'm going to do is click show feed. And as you see, it pulls up the first tweet. And then after 7 seconds, it rotates over to the next one. And it's just going through that list. And it's going to keep looping over and over until you click on here to say hide feed, and then it stops. So really simple. Gives a nice way to do interaction with, if you have a lot of tweets, or maybe you have a tweet that's going out for your church and then you want to post all the replies. You also have the power in here to not necessarily show everything. You can select which ones are approved. So if somebody is heckling y'all and they have a comment that you don't necessarily want to show, you don't have to show it. So that's really simple, but that's a powerful tool of how you can bring in your social media into your presentations in church. This is AJ, and I hope you like this content. If so, I would really appreciate a like. Also, consider subscribing. And if you are a subscriber, make sure you click that bell notification. That way you get notified when we come out with new tutorial videos and other media ministry tools, tips and tricks and strategies to help grow your media ministry. This is AJ. We'll catch you on the next one.